Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the Redmi Watch 5 Lite Smartwatch. It is one of the latest smartwatch in the Watch 5 series. Remember, we reviewed here on our channel the Redmi Watch 5 Active, and now we have this new wearable, the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So we are going to check this. We are going to have the unboxing of the Watch 5 Lite. We are going to check the design as well as the specs and the features loaded, or shall we say the UI. Okay, let's focus first on the UI of the Watch 5 Lite. We are going to have at least 2 videos for the unboxing of the Watch 5 Lite, and the first one, it's all about the UI, specs, and design. When we bought the smartwatch, we do have here a freebies, okay, a screen protector and an extra strap. Anyways, we'll check this, we'll open this and see if what are the contents inside. So if you are interested to know more about the Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch, watch this video. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Alright, so let's start and explore the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So it has the same packaging with the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Let's see. Okay, the same size. Yes, the same size, I think. And for the design, almost, I think it's just the same. Maybe there's some added new hardware like GPS, I think, for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So we do have here the specs. 1.96 AMOLED display. Let's see if it's the same here with our Watch 5 Active. So here, 2-inch LCD. Here we do have a much smaller screen display, but it is AMOLED screen display, so it is an upgrade for the screen display in terms of the technology. Instead of just IPS LCD, it is now AMOLED screen display and much smaller screen, 1.96. We do have a very good pixel resolution here. We do have a built-in 5 system GNSS, dual mic, noise reduction, Bluetooth calling. Okay, so improve positioning system here. 18 days of battery life, the same I think with the Active 5 or with a Watch 5 Active, and yes, the same features here I think, except for the sports with the, as you can see here, 150 plus workout modes. So workout modes 150 plus, 140 only for the Watch 5 Active. So there's a big difference here when it comes to the screen, and of course this smartwatch has a built-in 5 system positioning system. Okay, so this is your Watch 5 Lite. Let's see, let's open the box. So let's see if there's an improved design for the Watch 5 Lite. I don't like the design of the Watch 5 Active. It's a bit big, I think. Although still it looks premium, but compared to other wearables that we have with the Redmi, the Watch 5 Active is the, I think, one of the smartwatch with a not so good design. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. We have the user manual. I think this is just using the same cable here. Pogo pin, magnetic, and USB Type A. Let's see. Yes, the same. The same with the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Okay. So we have the contents, the charging cable, the smartwatch, and the user manual. The user manual that we don't read. Okay. Anyways, let's remove it from its plastic cover here. Again, this is the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, not the Watch 5 Active. We'll have our comparison review this week for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite versus the Watch 5 Active. Okay, what we have is the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, a more premium version of the Watch 5 smartwatch. Okay, so we do have here metal body frame, glossy design. Seems like it has a smaller body frame. Yes, as you can see here. Okay, so when it comes to Redmi Watch 5 Active, it has a more premium look, obviously. Here, let's check. The same, seems like it has the same back cover here, the same style. We do have a push button, but we do have a beautiful glossy type metal body frame. I think for the Redmi Watch 5 Active, if I'm not mistaken, is plastic PC material. This one, obviously, it is metal, much slimmer, black bordered here. It feels more premium. So let's check on the weight of this wearable. Do have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin, 42.80 grams. For the thickness, it is somewhat similar to the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So I like the design or the materials here for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. It looks more premium and seems like it is, I think it is more comfortable with this size. Okay, so the Redmi Watch 5 Active is bigger. I think it's much bigger for me. Okay, this one, it's just the right size, I think. The problem with this one is okay, this is oil and thumbprint, okay, prone. Okay, but so far it looks nice, I think. So let's check on the size for this one, the thickness. So we have, not including this sensor, we have 9mm, I think. Yeah, 9mm. Just to confirm, let me check. This is the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Yep, the same, 9mm. So the same thickness, but with a much smaller body frame. Okay, again for the specs, let's check it again. We have here the specs of the wearable. 1.96-inch AMOLED screen display with a 410 by 502 pixel resolution. Built-in 5 system GNSS, dual mic, noise reduction, Bluetooth calling, 18 days of battery life with a heart rate, blood oxygen, and stress monitoring, 5 ATM water resistance. Okay, so we are done with the specs. We are done with the design. Let's turn it on and see if there's a battery left, so we can check on the OS or the UI. So still it runs the Xiaomi Hyper OS. Okay, so we have to add it, scan this one and add it to our support app, the Mi Fitness app. Okay, I will I'll be back after I activated the smartwatch. Okay, so we have successfully paired the smartwatch. So let's check on the display here. And obviously it has a very good screen display here. Very sharp. Let me check on the brightness here. Let's adjust the brightness. Is this the brightness? No. Let's check. Watch faces, display. So let's see. So we are on. Again. Display. Let's adjust. Then where's the brightness? We have it here. Okay, so that is the, so this is the full brightness. So very good so far. For the UI, notifications on the bottom part, we have the settings here and other options for your smartwatch. On the left side, we have the different cards, the same way the UI of our Redmi Watch 5 active. Okay, for the watch faces, let's see. Okay, so far beautiful looking smartwatch here, much better, okay, compared to our Watch 5 active. Glossy body frame, very bright and sharp display screen with a very good pixel resolution. Again, for the pixel resolution, we have it here. Not this one. We do have a 410 by 502 pixel resolution. Okay, as you can see here, the difference. The pixel resolution here is 320 by 385. Here on our Redmi Watch 5 Lite, it is 410 by 502. Much higher compared to the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Okay, again, let's have a closer look at the design. Okay, so I'm happy with my purchase for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. I thought that it has the same body frame or the same size and material for the Redmi Watch 5 Active. The same finish with the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So it's different. Okay, it has a good finish here, colors, and of course, good size. It is much slimmer and with a very good screen display. So that's it for the unboxing of our Redmi Watch 5 Active or Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the design, the specs, and the UI, drop a comment below and we'll answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye!